Hi, today I've heard of new Google Pixel 5a and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So just to do that, we should open the notification panel shortcuts and find somewhere here scan QR code icon. Just click once on this icon and now we should just place our QR code here into this frame. So let's do that. Okay. After that, click here. So let's do it once again. Okay, now click here to open, and we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.